Hello everyone, my name is Naura Salsabila and today I would like to talk about the diversity of Indonesian cuisine. Indonesia is a very beautiful country with many islands, culture and tradition. Indonesia also has many ethnic groups and local language. Because of that, Indonesia has many kinds of traditional foods from different regions. Every region has its own special food, unique taste, and different way of cooking. Indonesian cuisine is very famous because it has rich flavors and delicious spices. Indonesian people often use chili, garlic, onion, ginger, turmeric, pepper, and coconut milk in cooking. These ingredients make Indonesian food taste special and different from food in other countries. For example, West Sumatra is famous for rendang. Rendang is made from beef and many spices. It tastes spicy, savory, and very delicious. Rendang is also known as one of the most delicious foods in the world. Many tourists like rendang when they visit Indonesia. Next, Yogyakarta. Yogyakarta is famous for gudeg. Gudeg is made from young jok fruit and coconut milk. The taste is sweet and unique. People usually eat gudeg with rice, chicken, egg, and crackers. Gudeg is one of the traditional foods that represent Japanese culture. Jakarta also has a famous traditional food called soto Betawi. Soto Betawi is a soup made with beef and creamy coconut milk broth. It has a savory taste and is very popular among Indonesian people. Besides that, its Java is famous for rawon. Rawon is a traditional black soup made from beef and special spices called keluak. The color is dark, but the taste is very rich and delicious. Indonesia also has many popular street foods and snacks. For example, there are bakso, sate, pempek from Palembang, martabak, siomay from Bandung, and fried rice. These foods are easy to find in many places, such as markets, schools, restaurants, and street food stalls. Many foreign tourists enjoy Indonesian food because Indonesia has many choices of food with different flavors. Some foods are spicy, sweet, salty, or savory. That is why Indonesian cuisine is loved by many people. Another famous Indonesian food is Coto Makassar from South Sulawesi. It is a traditional soup made with beef and special spices. Bali is also famous for ayam betutu, which has a spicy and rich flavor. In my opinion, Indonesian cuisine is not only about food but also about culture, history, and tradition. Traditional food can show the identity of every region in Indonesia. Through food, we can learn more about Indonesian culture and diversity. As Indonesian people, we should be proud of our traditional foods and continue to preserve them. We can introduce Indonesian cuisine to people from other countries so they can know more about Indonesia. I hope Indonesian food will become more popular around the world in the future because Indonesia has many amazing and delicious traditional food. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Naura Sabila. Today I will explain about degree of comparison.
Definition. Degree of comparison is a broad adjective that used to compare a transform or thing with the same quality with another. It is related to the adjective or adverb in a sentence. For example, you are prettier than me. In this sentence, prettier is an adjective. It describes a person. Another example, he dance more beautiful than you. In this sentence, more beautiful is an adverb because it describes work done. There are three types of degree of comparison. positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. We usually use adjective or adverbs in comparison sentence. First, I will explain about positive degree. Positive degree is used when two things are equal or at the same level. The form of comparison is 1. The sentence pattern for adjective is subject plus to be plus as adjective as plus object. For example, Tina is as beautiful as Nita. She is as tall as her sister. 2. The sentence pattern for adverb is subject, verb plus adverb as plus object. For example, she sings as beautifully as her mother. Another example would be runs as fast as Bima. Next, I will explain about comparative degree. Comparative degree used to compare two things where one has more of a quality than the other. For one syllable adjective, we add er. Formula subject plus to be plus adjective er plus and plus object. For example, big become bigger, tall become taller. For example, Mount Everest is bigger than Semeru. Another example, you are taller than me. For an adjective with two or more syllables, we use more. Formula subject plus to be plus more plus adjective plus and plus object. For example, delicious become more delicious. Expensive become more expensive. For example, chocolate is more delicious than matcha. Another example, a diamond ring more expensive than a silver ring. For short adverb, we add er. Formula subject plus verb plus adverb er plus then plus o. For example, Rudy runs faster than Bima. Another example, Andy speaks louder than Budi. For long adverb, we use more. Formula subject plus verb plus more plus adverb plus then plus of. For example, they see more beautiful than her sister. Another example, he works more carefully than before. Next, I will explain about superlative degree. In superlative degree, the things being discussed has the most characteristic among the others. The forms of comparison are adjective or adverb plus est, or modes plus adjective or adverb. For one syllable adjective, we add est. Formula as plus to be plus be plus adjective plus est plus object. For example, small becomes smallest. Another example, fast become fastest. For example, cheetah is the fastest animal. Another example, my bag is the smallest bag here. For adjective with two or more syllable, we use the modes. Formula subject plus to be plus the modes plus adjective plus object. For example, beautiful become the most beautiful. Expensive become the most expensive. For example, she is the most beautiful girl in the class. Another example, this bag is the most expensive bag in the store. Superlative using adverb. For short adverbs, we use adverb est. Formula subject plus verb plus be plus adjective est plus object. For example, Rudy runs the fastest in the class. Another example, he arrived the earliest today. For long adverb, we use the modes for adverb formula subject plus verb plus the modes plus adverb plus object. For example, he sings the most beautifully in the competition. Another example, Tina speaks English the most clearly in the class. Alright everyone, that's all my presentation about degree of comparison. I hope this presentation can help you understand the material better. Thank you for your attention. Bye.